Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all students? Today we are going to have our lecture number 19 for ninth class. In this lecture we will discuss the tense. Future indefinite tense means the action that is performed in the coming time and the time is indefinite. जैसा कि हमने प्रेजेंट और पास्ट इंडेफिनेट में पढ़ा था कि काम जो है वो इनडेफिनेट टाइम में हो रहा है, सेम इज़ द केस हेयर. द स्ट्रक्चर फॉर द टेंस would be subject means doer of an action, will shall would be its helping verbs. We will use first form of main verb and then object. Students, we have discussed in present and past indefinite tense that in their assertive sentences there is no helping verb, but here we have helping verb as will and shall. Means in its simple sentence we have helping verbs. Will would be used with all the subjects, all the persons except I and we. Means सिर्फ फर्स्ट पर्सनस चाहे वो सिंगल हैं या प्लूरल हैं उनके साथ हम शैल यूज़ करेंगे, बाकी सबके साथ विल यूज़ करेंगे. लेकिन अगर हम किसी ऐसे काम की बात कर रहे हैं जो कि ज़रूर सरअंजाम दिया जाएगा, देन वी विल यूज़ विल विद आई एंड वी टू. सो वी हैव फर्स्ट वी हैव सिंपल सेंटेंस, ही विल go to school, subject plus helping verb plus first form of verb. Then if we have object we will use, here we have school, this is the adverb of place. Then we have negative sentence. As in every tense we use not after the helping verb, so here we will use subject, then helping verb, then not, then first form of verb. He will not go to school. Then we have simple interrogative. As you know, simple interrogative sentences can be replied by yes or no. Means we can reply them in yes or no and this is enough. Will he go to school? We will take the helping verb before the subject. Will he go to school? Then we have double interrogative. In double interrogative sentences, WH word plus helping verb make the sentence double interrogative, and the WH word can be more than one. Means as here we have used why will he go to school, we can also use how and why. Will he go to school, we can also use why will he go to school and how. मीन्स इनमें से एक WH वर्ड जो है वो एंड पे भी हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी हैव अ सेंटेंस स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हु. एज वी नो हु आल्सो वर्क्स एज subject as well as WH word. So when we have a sentence starting with who, we use the structure as we use in simple sentence, assertive sentence. I told you in the previous lectures that present and past indefinite lectures that we use simple structure for the sentence starting with who because it works as a subject too. So we have helping verb in our simple sentence, so we will use it here. Who will go to school? स्टूडेंट्स, हमने प्रेजेंट और पास्ट इंडेफिनेट में हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज़ नहीं किया था हु वाले सेंटेंसेस में. क्योंकि उसमें उसके जो सिंपल सेंटेंस थे उनमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब का इस्तेमाल नहीं हो रहा था. सो हेयर वी विल डेफिनेटली यूज़ helping verb. Then we have which sentences, means sentences starting from which. Which is a WH word which demands subject or object before helping verb. Means we cannot place helping verb right after the WH word which. we are to use either subject or object. Which book will you read? तुम कौन सी किताब पढ़ोगे? Which book? Now here book is working as object. Then we have which boy will read the book? Now boy is subject. So here we have used subject right after which. So students, these sentences we can discuss in future indefinite tense. So this was our lecture for today. Thank you.